Welcome back to my channel, guys. This is Monotology. So this is the DMV in Jamaica, New York. So I just want to show you how organized it is and how big the place is, and very clean. So I took the test actually for the driving test, and I passed. I got only like I think two mistakes in the test, so I'm lucky. So there you go. So it's very easy, and I didn't have a difficulty applying for my driver's license. Okay, thank you for watching. Continue watching. Bye. 1 to 50, so there's a lot of questions, and yeah, I passed it. But I didn't get perfected it. It's like only I think it's 96. My I have four mistakes in the questionnaire. So but at least I passed. I think the passing grade is 70. So there you go. I passed. So we're gonna stay here for a bit and wait for the number. And it's very awesome because they're all giving you all the information in the email. So there's a barcode every time you come over here. Um, there's a barcode that you have to they have to like scan, and there they can confirm your appointment. So it's really very good, like systematic. Yes, very systematic, and hopefully I can pass the drive test and get my driver's license. Also, by the way, this is Jamaica DMV. Jamaica DMV. Jamaica is actually like for stuff from overseas. So it's a big building, and probably like 8 to 10 minutes walk from subway station. So last time, there's a lot of people out there, like falling in line and taking the test, and I would like also to inform you that you can also take your test at home online, because they have camera. You have to set up the camera because when you're taking the test, so that they can monitor if you are cheating or not. So I did the online test because last time, like I said, I forgot my social security, so I didn't get a chance to take the test here. So the woman said, advised me to, if I can find it online, I can take the test online. So that's what I did. So there you go. It's much easier if you're gonna take the test online. And first, the procedure. First, I didn't know that you have to take the test first before you submit your documents. So I thought you have to submit your documents and then take the test. So I'm very wrong. So next, if you guys are interested to take driver's license in New York, the procedure is you have to take the test first, and then the second time is you have to submit your documents, and then if you if you pass the test, they will give you right away the what you call this, the the test drive pass. So that should be the procedure.